To be a CEO, a leader in the modern era, means you have to be agile. You have to be able to think on your feet and adjust all of your communication. It's not about reading a teleprompter and just following a script that some staff member has prepared for you. Oh no. You have to size up every single communication opportunity you have all day long and figure out what's the best answer, what's the best link. Because CEOs, top leaders of organizations, spend all of their time communicating, speaking to reporters, speaking to board members, speaking to clients, speaking to customers, speaking to investors, speaking to stakeholders. It's constant communication. And they've got to be able to think on their feet. That means if you want to be a leader, you have to really refine your communication skills and get to the point where you can hear a question or see an opportunity and decide in the database in your own head, I could talk about that for an hour. I could talk about that for 10 minutes. I could talk about it for 5 minutes. I could talk about it for 30 seconds. I could talk about it for 6 seconds. You've got to be able to make those judgments quickly on how long, how short it is. It's like an accordion. It can expand when there's appropriate times for that, and it has to contract when you got to be quick. Have you ever felt pressure to give an answer for less time or more time than you'd planned? If so, please leave a comment. The number one skill any CEO or top executive has to have in this modern era is the ability to communicate. And that means in every situation, because speaking to a live audience is different from speaking on camera. Speaking on camera is different from on the phone with the New York Times or the Wall Street Journal, knowing that you could talk for 20 minutes and only 8 words out of your mouth gets into the final story. So it's crucial, if you want to be a leader, to hone and refine your communication skills. You can delegate accounting. You can delegate marketing. You can delegate graphic design, but you can't delegate communication. You got to be agile. You got to be nimble. You got to be ready to react to any situation that comes to you, because the reputation of the entire organization often rests upon your shoulders. If you're trying to boost your own leadership communication skills, then you may want to check out a free training course I've created. It's linked below. It's the High Stakes Presenter, and it's a free course to really help you build your leadership communication skills. Now, if you want to go beyond right away, then check out this video coming up on how great leaders communicate. Please be sure to subscribe, hit the notifications button, and share this video with friends and colleagues.